Moving on now, the festive season is fast approaching, and for consumers that means discount season. But what looks like a bonanza for consumers is also a carefully calculated business strategy for brands to acquire customers, clear inventory, and unlock cash. So what is really happening behind these massive discounts? Well, for brands, a discount is not necessarily loss-making. It can be the cost of acquiring a new customer. A shopper who enters with a 50% discount today can potentially become a repeat customer tomorrow, generating higher margin purchases later on. While at the same time, mega sales help brands move slow-moving seasonal and excess inventory, reducing storage and logistics costs and releasing working capital. And there is another factor: competition. When Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra and offline retailers all push Independence Day sales, will brands risk losing visibility and market share if they stay out. But discounts come at a cost. Consider a brand with a 60% gross margin. A 20% price cut reduces its gross profit per unit from 60 to 40 rupees on a 100 rupee product. That means it needs to sell 50% more units just to generate the same gross profit. We'll go deeper. A 50% discount requires roughly 3 times the volume, while a 60% discount requires about 6 times the volume, assuming costs remain unchanged. Well, for consumers, the headline discount isn't the whole story. Bank offers, cashback and no-cost EMI can change the final price. But caps, eligibility conditions and fees matters. And the biggest trap may be psychological. When consumers repeatedly see 60 to 80% off, the sale price can become their new idea of the product's real price. Now that creates a problem for brands. The more customers are trained to wait for discounts, the harder it becomes to sell at full price. Reference prices fall, premium positioning weakens, and lower margins leave less money for design, innovation, and brand building. So this Independence Day, the biggest sale may not simply be about how much the customer saves. It is about how much intelligently brands balance customer acquisition, inventory, margins, and long-term brand value.